friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about representation of functions. So representation of functions. How we can represent a function? We can represent by a set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram, a graphical form. So first let us see some example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Be the two sets. Let f such that is A tends to B to be a function by one condition f of x equal to 3x minus 1. First represent this function in these four ways. So first we can see by arrow diagram. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. F of x equal to 3x minus 1 means, so you substitute the value, A value. So 3 into 1 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2. That is next 2. F of 2, 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, 5. So next 3. 3 into 3 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. Next f of 4. Next 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. 11. So how to represent in arrow diagram? First A elements you write it and B elements also write it. And how to map it to this? So first 1 is 2. Next 2 is 5. Next 3 is 8. And 4 is 11. Clear? So second subdivision, table form. So first x, A elements 1, 2, 3, 4. F of x equal to 3x minus 1. We find some answers now. 1 is 2 and 2 is 5 and 3 is 8 and 4 is 11. You write it in the table. Clear? Next set of ordered pairs. Already we know that 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. Next graphical form, x elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Y elements also 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's mapped to 1, 2 and 2, 5 and 3, 8 and 4, 11. Clear? Next, we will see about vertical line test. What is that? A curve drawn in a graph that is represent a function. Already we know that. If every vertical line intersects the curve at most one point means it's satisfied. You see this figure? Here, this curve, it's represent a function. It intersects P that at most one point. Okay, so it's satisfied. Okay, that represents a function as the vertical line meet the curve at most one point. Okay, you see this one. Here you see this curve, but here it meets 2 points P and Q. Therefore, do not represent a function as the vertical line meet the curves in 2 points P and Q. So first figure represents a function and second figure does not represent a function. Understood? Next, we will discuss about types of functions. First function is very simple, that is 1 to 1. A function f A tends to B is called 1 to 1 function if distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. So for example, you see calls, 3 calls and friends, 5 friends. First call C friend, second call A friend, third call D friend. Here you see that distinct elements, different images also. So for all A1, A2 belongs to A, f of A1 equal to f of A2 implies A1 equal to A2. Then f is called one-to-one function. Clear? Next, many-to-one function. A function f such that A tends to B is called many-to-one function if two or more elements of A have same image in B. Consider this example, three films, okay, here shown, that is F1, F2, F3. That is P1 to P7. That is 7 persons are going to see the film. So more than one person can choose any one film. Here you see P1 and P4 and P6. Here two or more elements have same image F1, and P2 and P5 F3 film. Two or more elements, choose one film. And P3 and P7 choose film F2. This is many-to-one function. See another example, A elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So here mapping you see 1A, 2B. That is more elements have same image A. This is many-to-one function. So note that f such that A tends to B is called many-to-one. What is the condition? If it is not one-to-one. If it is not one-to-one. Because one-to-one means different elements, different images. Clear? Next, onto function. A function f such that A tends to B is said to be an onto function if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. That onto function is also called a surjection. Here, every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in the domain A. That is, x, y, z A element and B element element n. This is domain and this is codomain. Codomain is related to every pre-image in the domain A. Here you see x, m, z, l and y is n. So range is equal to the codomain is onto function. Clear? Here, into function. A function f such that A tends to B is called an into function if there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element in A. Here you see one example. In that showroom, all products are available, that is television, washing machine, air conditioner and water heater. That three customers choose the products. C1 choose washing machine and C2 choose television and C3 choose water heater, but nobody choose air conditioner. This is the example for into function. And also range of f is a proper subset of the codomain of f. Range is here 3 but codomain is 4. That is the proper subset. So a function f such that A tends to B is called an into if it is not onto. Onto means what? Range is equal to codomain, but here range is not equal, that is less than only codomain, that is into function. Understood? Next, one-to-one and on-to function. We call it as bijection. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. This is one-to-one. And every element in B has a pre-image in A. This is onto function. So we see the example 1, 2, 3 elements in A and W, X, Z is in B. Here 1 is related to W, 2 is related to Z and 3 is related to X. So different element, different images. One-to-one function satisfied. Next, here every element in B has a pre-image in A also. So onto function also satisfied. So therefore this sum one-to-one and onto function satisfied. Clear? Next, horizontal line test. That means A function represented in the graph is 1 to 1 if every horizontal line intersects the curve is at most 1 point. Here you see the example. Here this figure does not represent a function because it meets 2 points P and Q, and this figure it meets only 1 point, that is P. It represents a function. Clear? Next, constant function. A function f such that a tends to b is called a constant function if the range of f contains only one element. That is, f of x equal to c, constant for all x belongs to a and for some fixed c belongs to b. Here you see a, b, c, d or a elements. It only, that function is related to here only 3. That is a constant function. Clear? Next example, if the function f such that r tends to r defined by f of x equal to some condition given 2x plus 7, x less than minus 2. X squared minus 2 means minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. 3x minus 2, x greater than or equal to 3. Then find the values of f of 4. F of 4 means here which condition apply? F of 4. 4 only. Appa x greater than or equal to 3. This condition only here satisfy. So we take this 3x minus 2 here f of x. You substitute the value for x, f of 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 2, that is 12 minus 2 equal to 10. Clear? Next f of minus 2. Minus 2 means here you see minus 2, this is less than minus 2, don't take that. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. This only applied here. So x squared minus 2. Clear? So you substitute the value for x minus 2 squared minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Next question, f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. F of 4 already we find out that 10. And f of 1 we have to find out the value. F of 1 means which 1, x squared minus 2 only. Okay, because minus 2 to 3. So f of 1, substitute the value for x, 1 squared minus 2 equal to minus 1. So f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. F of 4 is 10 plus 2 into this minus 1 minus 2. So 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Understood, students? So here we have to write the set of ordered pairs. We find the value 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. No. So you write the ordered pairs, A elements, A element that is 2. So 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4 and 12, 5. Next we have to draw the table. X element you write it 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. And f of x we find the value 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 for this x. So we draw this table. Next arrow diagram also same, A element write it, B codomain write it, but whatever that range, that is 2, 0 related function only you map it. 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4 and 12, 4. And the graph also you put it 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what is the map? 2, 0. The x-axis only 2, 0 and 4, 1, 4, 1 and 6, 2 and 10, 4 and 12, 5. Understood? You draw this graph also. Next question. Show that the function f such that n tends to n, that is natural number a also, here also natural number, defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1. We have to prove that it is 1 to 1 but not on to. So first given f of x equal to 2x minus 1. So n equal to natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a elements. F of 1 equal to, so substitute the value 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1. F of 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. F of 3, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, 5. F of 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 1, 7. F of 5, 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 9. So here that relation 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here it's related 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 9. Here you see first we have to prove that 1 to 1. Here different element and different images in f of x. Therefore this function is 1 to 1 function. But so what is that on to function? Range is equal to codomain. But codomain elements are here also natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. But range is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. It also goes on. So here the range is not equal to the codomain. Therefore this function is 1 to 1 but not on to function. Understood? Next question. Show that the function f such that n tends to n defined by f of m equal to m squared plus m plus 3 is 1 to 1 function. We have to prove it 1 to 1 function. Same condition that f of m equal to m squared plus m plus 3, natural number only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is m belongs to n. And you substitute the value for m. So m square plus m plus 3. So 1 square plus 1 plus 3, that is 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. So 2 substitute, 2 squared 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. 3 squared, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. And 4 squared, you substitute the value. 4 squared, 16 plus 4, 4, 20 plus 3, 23. So you map it, your relation 1 is 5 and 2 is 9 and 3, 15, 4, 23. Different element and different images. Therefore, it is 1 to 1 function. Clear? Here, a equal to minus 1, 1, b equal to 0, 2. If the function f such that a tends to be defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function. They already given that onto function, that is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here you see minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is an onto function. So we have to find out a and b. So a minus 1, 1 elements, b 0, 2 elements. So f of x equal to ax plus b. So you substitute the value for x minus 1. So a into minus 1 plus b minus a plus b. F of 1 means a into 1 plus b, a plus b. So what its relation f of minus 1 equal to 0. Clear? So minus a plus b equal to 0 and f of 1 equal to 2. So a plus b equal to 2. So here minus a plus b equal to 0 and a plus b equal to 2. So minus a plus a, it will cancel, b plus b, 2b equal to 2. So b equal to 1. And you substitute the value a plus b equal to what? A plus b equal to 2 only. So a plus, substitute the value 1, a plus 1 equal to 2, a equal to 1. So what is the value for a? A equal to 1 and b equal to 1. Clear, students? Next question, if the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 if x greater than 1. 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. X minus 1 if minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. We have to find the values of f of 3 equal to 3 means 1 greater than. So x plus 2. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next f of 0. 0 means minus 1 to 1 in between, that 0 is there. So you take the value 2. F of 0 equal to 2. Next f of minus 1.5. You see minus 1.5 means minus 3 to minus 1 in between, that minus 1.5 is there. So you take it x minus 1. So x minus 1, x substitute the value minus 1.5 minus 1, add it minus 2.5. Next one f of 2 plus f of minus 2. What is f of 2? 1 greater than only. So substitute x plus 2. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next f of minus 2 means minus 3 to minus 1, that minus 2 is there. So you take this one x minus 1, x substitute the value minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Clear? Next, so add it, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 values 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Understood? Next question, the function T which maps temperature in Celsius into temperature in Fahrenheit is defined by T of C equal to F. F is what? F equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. We have to find out T of 0. T of 0 means what? T of 0 equal to F. F values here 9 by 5C plus 32. Clear? But C value is 0 here. Upper 0 into anything 0, 0 plus 32, 32 only. So 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next, T of 28. So T of C equal to F. Therefore T of 28 equal to F. F is value 9 by 5C plus 32. So you put it 9 by 5C, instead of C you put it 28 plus 32, multiple 9 into 28, 252 by 5 plus 32. So you can simplify, you get it 50.4 plus 32, 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Clear? Next, T of minus 10. Say as usual, that is T of C equal to F. So T of minus 10 equal to 9 by 5 of C plus 32. 9 by 5 of minus 10 plus 32. You simplify, you cancel it here. 2 minus 18. Minus 18 plus 32 equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. Understood? Next, the value of C when T of C equal to 212. It's given. So T of C equal to 212. T of C equal to what? F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32 equal to 212. That implies 9 by 5C equal to, so plus 32 will go to the right hand side, it will come minus. So 212 minus 32 equal to 180. Therefore 9 by 5C equal to 180. Therefore C equal to 180 into 5 by 9. Cancel it. 20 into 5 equal to 100 degrees Celsius. C value is here, C equal to, not value, C equal to 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. That is, we take it as T of minus 40 equal to F. What is the F value? 9 by 5C plus 32. Here 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. Cancel it. Minus 8. 9 into minus 8 minus 72 plus 32. That is minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Here the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Clear, students?